And again. A new feature. This time we provide you with a navigation solution. Navigating the truck is about to become effortless for your driver with our new Open Navigation app feature. This innovative function is conveniently located directly in the IMPARGO DriverApp. It allows you to open any navigation app installed on your device directly from the DriverApp itself. The key advantages. We provide a whopping 5 with this feature. No more manual data transfer to an external navigation device. No more entry errors, and reduced time at stops. It lets both you and the driver focus on the essential tasks with ease. IMPARGO, as you know, already offers an integral navigation function within our driver app. But now we've enhanced this feature with capabilities that were previously missing, like the vocal instructions while driving and dynamic rerouting due to traffic. Wondering how it works? It's simple. When the driver starts the order, a navigation button appears on the bottom right side of the screen. By clicking on it, the driver can select from one of the navigation apps already installed on their device. Once a navigation app is chosen, the location of the next stop is directly transferred to the app, and the driver is ready to roll. We've ensured compatibility with a multitude of navigation apps, be it truck navigation, or even car navigation apps, to offer you flexibility and choice. Need assistance, or ready to get started? Just reach out to our support team. They'll have you up and running in no time. Welcome to a whole new level of convenience with IMPARGO.